video, I will be showing you how you can update your Node.js in Windows 11, or if you don't have, how to install it for the first time. But before that, I just need to remind you, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of coding related videos. So let's start the video. First of all, click on Windows icon, then go to your settings, then click on this apps at this right side, then click on installed apps. What you have to do here is to search Node, and then here it will list the things. Then you can see right now we have the version of 18.2, which is oldest version. So we have to uninstall it, click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall. Okay, then it will show preparing to uninstall. Then if it asks you for yes or no, you click on the yes option in your Chrome browser and there search download node.js. Okay, then it will show you this download. Just click over it, and then it will show the latest Node.js available here, that is 22. So what you need to do is to click on the download installer m.msi. You have to click on that. So once your download is done, just open your file wherever it is available. Then you have to just double click over that. It will show this kind of interface. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to accept the license agreement. Then click on next. Then again it will show this will be the location where your Node.js will be installed. Just click on next. Then it will ask you for the Node.js runtime, anything you need here you can select, but we'll keep it as it is. Automatically install necessary tools not required right now. Just click on next and install. That's it you have to do. Then you can see it will ask you for yes or no. You can click on that yes option. Then once the installation is complete, we can check it. You can see our Node.js is successfully installed. To confirm your installation, what you can do, you have to just right click on your desktop and then open a new terminal. Node -v. So it is showing 22.14 which we installed. So that means our Node.js is updated. If this video is helpful, then please like this video, share with your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.